Hello friends, welcome to Vigilant Online Workshop. This is Hashim, Cybersecurity Analyst at Vigilant. The topic of discussion is batch programming. Before we start about batch programming, I would like to show you a simple trick using command prompt. The trick is how to hide a folder or a file. This is my folder. The name of the folder is batch. I want to hide this folder. So simple, just go to open a command prompt. Now the path is C uses Suraj. And my folder to be hidden is in C drive. So I'll be going in C drive and I want to hide this folder. So I'll be using a command. The name of the command is attrib, A-T-T-R-I-B, space plus R plus A plus S plus H. R stands for read only, A stands for archive, S stands for system files, H stands for hidden. When you write these parameters, you have to give a space and then write the name of the folder. The name of the folder is batch, B-A-T-C-H. And you can see this folder is hidden. Batch folder is hidden. Now I want the folder to be revealed. I want the folder to unhide. So I'll be using the same command, and in the parameter I'll be giving minus instead of plus. See the batch folder, we have rewrite this folder. Now what is batch programming? Batch programming is in command prompt. Basically we execute one command at a time, but in batch programming we try to execute multiple commands at the same time. Let us create a simple batch file. In case of Windows XP, cd -h -s -r del ntldr means delete. What this code will do, this will take me to the C drive. This command cd, this command will reveal all the hidden folder that is present in the C drive. And in case of XP, there are few files such as ntldr, ntdetect, boot.ini. These are few files required for an operating system to boot, and all these files are stored in the C drive in case of XP. So when I type this command, when this command is executed, all the hidden files will be revealed, and simply then I have to delete ntldr, delete the file with the name ntldr, so that when the user restart the computer, the computer won't be able to start, because it will show you the error ntldr file is missing. So when you write a code like this, save it like batch dot with the extension bat, BAT. And you can see a file is created. The batch file looks like this, and if I want to edit it, I just have to right click on that and click on edit. Now this was a batch file which is used to delete the ntldr folder. Now we'll write another batch file. rabbit at MD stands for make directory. Now what this will do? Echo is a command of command prompt similar to printf in C. And we are disabling that command. So whatever we are executing, it will not be seen. This is a label top. Now MD will create a directory with a random name, a random number, and I am saying go to top. It will go to the top, and again it will create a directory with random number. Then again it will go to the top. Then again it will create a directory with random number. This is an example of a virus, a kind of virus, and the name is rabbit because it is self-replicating itself till someone doesn't stop it or it performs its action, that is crashing the hard disk. So this was all about batch programming and viruses and rabbits. Thank you.